Magandang umaga po Pilipinas. You're still watching Agri-TV's Mad About Koi. My name is Mike Hernandez and
Glecia Hernandez of Kois and Ponds Farm Las Piñas.
today we'll speak to you about paano po pagandahin ang water quality in conjunction o paano makakatulong paano pagandahin ang ating beloved koi.
With the environment it's in. Yes.
Let's start the ball rolling, Gles, by
Zeroing in on the ammonia, the NO2 which is nitrite and NO3 which is nitrate.
Okay, ang fluctuation po ng ammonia ay tolerable hanggang sa 0 to 0.25 parts per million. Madali lang pong test kit na to kung paano gamitin. Magda-drop lang po tayo ng mga reagent doon and with this test, malalaman po natin ang level ng ammonia, level ng NO2 at level ng NO3.
Yeah, by comparing it, the color of the test tube to the chart that's provided.
So, na-zero na po natin yung ammonia or probably 0.25 at yung NO2 natin ay na-zero na natin. NO3 is preferably less than 80 parts per million. Doon naman po tayo sa pH. Ang koi po ay could withstand the pH of 4.5 to 8.5. Pero ang pinaka-ideal pH po nito ay 7.2 to 7.4. Outside the 7.2 to 7.4 pH, ang beauty po nila ay hindi po natin mamamaximize.
Well, once the pH, there's sudden rain and then the pH reading after heavy rain, you read that it's below 6. That's very dangerous already because that's the time when the nitrosomonas and the nitrobacter will decrease in your biological filter, which decreases the efficacy of the filter to transform the ammonia, the nitrites into the more tolerable form, which is the nitrate. So what do we do when that happens?
Unang-una po, i-check po mo ninyo yung ammonia. If the ammonia is high, then wag po ninyong itaas yung pH because ammonia is more toxic on higher pH. So, ang ina-advise po natin gawin ay ibaba muna yung ammonia. Paano po natin ibababa yung ammonia? Maglagay po tayo, of course, water change will help to lower down ammonia para ma-dilute ng konti yung ammonia content ng tubig.
Now you have to replenish the good bacteria in your filter. So that's the time you add Nitrobacter. This is the one. This would replenish all the good bacteria in your pond filter. Basically the biological filter in your pond.
The next parameter that you want to check would be the temperature. Ang best temperature po na nagugustuhan ng koi para sila ay mas gumanda pa ay 22 to 24 degrees centigrade. So how do you manage controlling the temperature of the pond? So of course, kasama dito yung pond build natin. If the pond is below ground, eto mas malakas yung fluctuation ng temperature kasi nagkakaroon po ng conduction. In our experience, in the old Kois and Ponds in Parañaque before, yung shop po namin nasa tabi ng street. So we're wondering, yung temperature hindi namin mapababa dahil yung heat ng karsada nagko-conduct po sa pond. So later on in the ponds that I was building for my clients, nilalagyan na natin to ng insulation. Again, another idea here to contain yung temperature ng pond would be to build it higher or above ground pond, just like what we have here in Kois and Ponds Las Piñas. Yung mga pond po natin dito is way above ground, kaya yung conduction ng heat ng baldosa ay hindi po tatawid sa ating mga pond. And another good thing here is pag mataas po yung pond, when it's above ground, then you have the liberty or the generosity of purging the water out.
Easier,
Easier,
because it's
no?
higher.
Kasi you don't have to sump pump it to pump it to the sewer.
Yeah, you just pull a pipe and it's out.
Oo. Okay, another tip po para po palamigin, cool down the temperature of your koi pond would be to install a Tomigay shower.
Yes.
Showers will always cool down the water other than degassing yung unwanted gas dito sa tubig natin.
And in warm countries that we've been to, we've seen they install a chiller, which is in a tropical country would prove to be very good in maintaining the cool temperature of a pond. That's another thought.
But lastly na lang po yun, yung paglalagay ng chiller, because alam po natin na talagang it's costly and it takes a lot of energy to operate a chiller. You could chill your pond by putting a shower or locating your pond in an ideal location para po hindi mag-conduct yung heat. So that's it for now, folks. I hope na nakapag-share kami sa inyo ng tips kung paano pagandahin ang water quality ng inyong koi pond at ng environment, kung paano pagandahin ang environment ng inyong koi pond to make or maximize the beauty of your koi. But join us again next week at bibigyan po namin kayo ng mas extensive pond tips kung ano pa ang pwede natin gawin para mapaganda pa ang quality ng tubig, ng environment ng ating koi pond. So, this is Mike Hernandez with
Glassy Hernandez, of course, in Ponce Las Piñas. Thank you for joining us in a very windy day here at Toys.
Dito lang po yan sa Agri TV's Mad About Koi. Kita kits!